Hi guys, how are you? What has been happening lately? Where have I been? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manya Jain, in case you don't know already, and today, seeing the setup, you know it's my room and we are going to sit down and answer some of your questions that I've been getting. And I know I should have answered them before, but I was too busy these summers. Like, my second year just khatam hua hai, and second year khatam hone ke baad there is this period where we are taking for a CRD, which is craft research and documentation. I'll talk about it aage jaake, but I was really busy with that. But I have so many of your questions here. I know, I think these are the important most questions, so I socha ki answer kar dete hain before NIFT starts. And I just got to know that NIFT is starting on the 5th of August, so it's like 2 weeks hai, usse bhi kam hi hai. So let's just sit down, answer all your questions. So talking about where I have been all summers, तो वैसे जून में CRD होता है, but इस बार हमारा जुलाई में था, सिर्फ NIFT कोलकाता वालों का. So जून में I was busy with some internship and all, and जुलाई में finally we were taken for a CRD. 4th of July को like everyone came, and CRD के लिए we were taken on 10th of July, and today is the 22nd. We got back yesterday, and I have so much to tell you. If in case you're following me on Instagram, you would already know because I have been posting so many pictures and videos from our CRD. Kolkata se we were taken to Shanti Niketan, Shantipur, then a lot more places, I'm not too sure. But हमारे KD को तो ले गया था to Shanti Niketan, where we met artisans, where we visited clusters, and we understood the craft of Katha, which is a really popular craft in Kolkata, West Bengal. So we were taken there. We were supposed to talk to the artisans, do our research and document all of it. So moving on to the first question, which is there something that we should learn or practice before getting into NIFT? So I'll suggest for people who are going to get into NIFT this year and the ones who will be getting next year, these are certain things that I feel if I knew, I would have been ahead in the game. For example, people think कि NIFT में आके सारी चीजें सिखा देते हैं, but the truth is 70 to 80% learning is your own. So basically what happens is faculties are there, faculties are super knowledgeable and they're always there to guide you, and class में आके they'll introduce you to topics, but जो in-depth research, in-depth studying होती है, that's all your own. ठीक है, like college में भी when we are given the assignments, we have to go back home and actually, you know, study about it. I'll suggest if you're someone who is going to get into NIFT this year or next year, if you can, so please know the basic terminologies that are in fashion, and then maybe basic illustrations, because college में है illustration एक subject जो I guess हर department को सिखाता है, but it's always better if you already know basic human rendering and you know जो fashion croquis होता है, I'm talking about that. So if you know it, it's definitely an upper edge for you. You will stay ahead because there are a few classmates of mine जिनको बहुत अच्छा rendering आता है, and they knew it from before getting into NIFT. So I feel that's a really good upper edge. Apart from that, if you have the time, why not learn graphic designing के softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. ये सब YouTube पे available है. If you can, then why not? I feel it will really give you an upper edge if you learn it before getting into NIFT. And yeah, basic illustration and basic terminologies, yeah. Okay, next question is really my favorite. Any advice for socializing at NIFT? So people who know me know I'm a very big social butterfly. मुझे socialize करना बहुत पसंद है, and that has been the case since first year. And first year के पहले भी I was a very social person in school as well. So for socializing, I'll tell you one thing. I've seen people being very anxious, you know, for you all are new to a place, and you know how do you socialize? You've always been an introvert in school or you know before your college. So I'll suggest कि guys in NIFT, everyone, most of you guys in fact will be coming for the first time. कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि you know first year repeat कर रहा है. बहुत rare होता है कि कोई first year वापस कर रहा है या फिर something like that. So you all are coming out from your places, different parts of India. सबके पास इतना कुछ है to know about each other's cultures. And I feel it's better to socialize in NIFT because these people in future might be your colleagues, or you know they'll be placed in different aspects of the fashion industry or you know design industry. You guys might be meeting आगे, you know, you never know where someone might help you. And I feel in NIFT making connections is like super important. So just if you are someone जिसका भी orientation है इसी साल, I'll suggest कि come with a fresh leaf, you know, you can come as a big new person and just try to talk to people and basic topic, you know, it can be like knowing about each other's cultures and all. Like I found it really fascinating when in my first year my friends are from Mumbai, Jammu, Punjab, Kerala, and we were getting to know about each other's cultures and all, and how their stories were. So it's really nice. Just think it that way, you know, कि you are building connections with that person, and in the future they might be of help to you, or you might be of help to them. It's all very easy, trust me. You're all in your head if you're not able to socialize, I'm telling you. Does KD have the same workload as FD? Well, I'm not gonna demean any department, but FD, KD, LD, ये सारे are, you know, very making product based, you know, like garments and all. So there are these things कि FD में there are too much the focus is too much on PMGC, which is pattern making and garment construction. So they are always redoing. Like I've seen my FD friends पूरा time redo कर रहे होते हैं, पूरा time lab में बैठ के stitching and all करते हैं. तो इस चक्कर में the work gets really good. But KD में you'll have to make garments, you know. PMGC तुम लोग का भी होगा, you'll make, अगर FD shirt बना रहे तुम भी shirt बना रहे होगे, trousers है, jackets है, blazers, all of that. But apart from that, in KD we have hand flat knitting and hand knitting. So first semester KD में hand knitting होता है, where हाथ से knitting करते हैं. You must have seen in my vlogs. And the upcoming semesters you will have hand flat knitting that you must have seen in my vlogs as well, जो machine से knitting करते हैं. So I feel knitwear में भी काफ़ी workload है. I don't know if it's the same as FD, क्योंकि FD people are also working all the time. But don't feel कि KD में आ गए तो, you know, बच गए. PMGC भी है, hand knitting भी है, technical studies भी है, all those theory and also there is a lot, guys. Don't feel कि कोई department में काम होगा. So the next question is, does NIF faculty teach you or do you learn by your own? This is very similar to the first question. So I told you 70 to 80% learning तुम्हारा खुद का होता है. That's because faculty is always there to introduce you to topics and, you know, teach you. And even if you want to know about certain things, you can go to their cabin and talk to them about it. It's like they're always there. But जो learning होती है, it's always on your own. You have to be more curious या फिर interested in a particular topic. या I've been that, you know, if I like a subject, मैं उसके बारे में RC जाके, which is library जाके books पढ़ लेती हूँ. And if that's not sufficient for me, I'll go to the faculty and talk to them and ask them. I don't care वो KD क्या है या कोई और department क्या है. If I'm interested, I'll talk to them. So the learning is very much on your own as well. It depends on how much you can grasp from the faculty and from NIFT. So the next question is, what laptop should we be buying? Honestly, laptop, I wouldn't name you the laptop because वो budget के wise होता है. But I've seen what works is gaming laptops for most of the people. क्योंकि we'll be taught softwares, बहुत heavy softwares like Adobe के, then rendering के softwares होते हैं. So you know, you really need a laptop that can take these hard softwares and smoothly run कर सकता है. So I'll suggest take a laptop which has a good graphic card. Mine personally is like, कुछ लोग का HP का होता है, कुछ का Asus का होता है. So you know, you can check it out, whatever suits your budget, but go for a laptop which has a good graphic card. Yeah. Does NIF require electronic gadgets? Absolutely. Like FC में तो सबसे ज़्यादा. FC में you will need a camera, you will need a laptop, tablet भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकता है. बाकी departments में भी laptop is a must. Like first year तुम कैसे भी निकाल लो, but second year onwards you will need a laptop. Tablet के बिना हो सकता है, but it's always better to have one as well. So yeah, electronic gadgets के बिना you can't drift. I'm telling you, facts. What does jury mean? How is it conducted and when are the results declared? Okay, I love this question. So jury is basically our examinations. जैसे दूसरे colleges में exams होते हैं written, हम creative field में jury होता है field. तो jury में written exams भी होते हैं. I had my written exam in 3rd semester. 4th में तो कुछ नहीं था. And बाकी jury में presentations होते हैं. So what you have to do is you have to present your work. You're given assignments jury में, and उसके हिसाब से you will make presentations, you will make documents, then products भी बनाने पड़ते हैं. ये सब display किया जाता है jury members को. jury में 3 से 5 faculty आती है. अभी तक तो 3 ही आई है सब में, and वो भी college के ही होते हैं. जो important you know end के towards juries होते हैं, उसमें आते हैं बाहर के faculties. So you know, jury room, classroom में होती है 3 से 4 faculty आ गए, and you present your work to them. So that's what jury is. How is it conducted? I guess that answers. And when are the results declared? Mostly it's the month next to the jury. Like जब August to December वाला जो session होता है, December में jury होती है, and Jan में you get the results. And अभी जो Jan से May वाला session था, May में jury हो गई, आई गॉट द रिजल्ट अभी जून में, आई गेस जून जुलाई में, तो आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट मंथ में. इज देयर एनी बॉयज हॉस्टल अवेलेबल इन निफ्ट कोलकाता? वेल, आई हैव आंसर्ड दिस वंस इन माई प्रीवियस Q&A वीडियो. इन केस यू हैवंट वॉच्ड इट, यू कैन. उसमें मैंने ओरिएंटेशन ऑल के बारे में बहुत बात की थी. So there is no NIFT का boys hostel in Kolkata, but other NIFT campuses do offer boys hostel. What my guy friends do is वो लोग flats ले लेते हैं PG. Maximum लोग flat लेते हैं. I feel that's convenient as well. You know, in case you get in touch with other guys जो लोग NIFT Kolkata join करने वाले हैं, take a flat together because it's very convenient. You know. I didn't get FC, so I went for AD. Is it all right? Well, मेरा दोनों ही डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है, but I do have friends from both the departments, and I've seen there are a lot of similar things. You know, FC and AD में बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर सिखाए जाते हैं, which is not there in other departments like KD, FD. हम लोग को थोड़े बहुत Adobe के बेसिक सिखा देते हैं. Our main focus is designing garments and illustrations and all of that. So if you didn't get FC, I suggest AD is still a good option क्योंकि you learn a lot of. I've seen फोटोग्राफी भी कराते हैं, लाइक FC तो डज फोटोग्राफी, बट FNLA विच इज AD उसमें भी प्रोडक्ट फोटोग्राफी कराते हैं. देन यू लर्न सॉफ्टवेयर्स, एंड उसके अलावा यू विल बी डिजाइनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स विच इज अ प्लस पॉइंट एज वेल, 3D प्रोडक्ट. सो आई फील इट्स अ गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव, सो नथिंग मच टू वरी अबाउट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर डू वी गेट ऑल द मटीरियल्स फ्रॉम? इज इट प्रोवाइडेड बाय NIFT? आई विश इट वॉज प्रोवाइडेड बाय NIFT, बट इट्स नॉट. आई मीन कितना पैसा जाता है मटीरियल्स पे, बिकॉज वी हैव टू बाय इट फ्रॉम आवरसेल्व्स. So I usually get a lot of things from outside, like मेरे घर के पास stationery shops है, so I get it from there. If not that, then you can get it from NIFT shops जो NIFT में ही होते हैं. It's very convenient because जो चाहिए, जो faculty is asking, that will definitely be available in your NIFT shops. And there are a lot of things that you will keep needing on daily basis, so you can't just go outside stationery shops. सीधा NIFT shop में ही चले जाते हैं. Next question is, I am super scared about orientation. Can you please tell us what really happens and if there is any advice? Okay guys, first of all, मेरे पास थोड़ा orientation days are very blurry, but if you really want to see what orientation days are like, you can watch my year's orientation जो मैंने सबसे initial video होगा if you scroll down, या फिर I'll link it down in the description box. उसके अलावा I've also answered in a previous video, but I'll answer it again for you guys because I love this question. So orientations are basically 3 दिन का program जो college start होने के पहले वाले week होता है, where first years are called and they are briefed about what NIFT is like, what the faculties are, who they are, a little about each department. So there is a lot of lectures, long lectures. So 9 बजे से 6 बजे तक चलता है, and there are programs happening, like seniors are performing, and then थोड़ा बहुत registration happens on the first day, and on the final day, which is like the most fun day, you guys the first years who are coming, they'll be performing at the NIFT ka Audi, which is super cool. Like it is very intimidating, I must say, but when you do it, when it's like an ice breaking session with your friends, या फिर with the people who will be your friends, your batchmates, your department people. It's like an ice breaking session, and then you guys mingle, you guys talk, you guys figure out how you can perform on the stage, which I feel is super fun. हमारे टाइम पे तो यही हुआ था कि हम लोग को जो ग्रुप्स दिए गए थे फाउंडेशन के, उनके साथ we had to perform, all of us. But next year that my juniors came, they had the freedom to perform with whoever they want. They can form groups or they can perform solo. So orientation is like a fun 3-day thing, when it will be over you will be missing it. You'll be like, यार 3 दिन कितने fun थे, फिर college start हो जाएगा. But yeah, it's really fun. Don't be scared because it won't come back ever, like you'll see your juniors having orientation, but you'll never get your orientation days back. So I must say, just enjoy it, be free. I've told you guys enough, yaar, come on. So the next question is, what are the stationery items needed for BFT students? Personally, I'm not in BF Tech, but I've asked a friend and she answered me this. So for BF Tech, you need L scale, T scale, normal, big scale that we and BDES as well need. Wooden board, the sec triangles of geometry, pattern papers, which is of course available in NIFT shop, so you don't have to carry it, सीधा NIFT shop से ले लेना. Measuring tape, draping pins, hip curve, and other stitching items that will be needed in second semester. And finally, to the last question, how is leather design? If you have seen, I barely talk about leather because मैं leather से नहीं हूँ, but a really close friend of mine is from leather and she answered this question. So she said that in leather you get to learn a lot of things, like a variety of things, from products to garments. Like product में you get to learn about wallet, belt, shoes, which is like so cool, footwear. Then उसके अलावा you get to make garments like corset, blazers, all of that. But she also said that if you're really into leather, if you really want to explore the world of leather and work with leather in the future, then you should be taking it, because not everyone is able to handle leather. And I feel leather is very extreme of a course, like KD, FD, TD ho jata hai. We are working on fabrics and woven, knitted, वही सब है. But leather में it's animal skin, right? So it's a little more stiff and sturdy, and I've seen my friends hammer leather like कुछ भी करने के लिए, and it's a little difficult too, because अगर leather में stitch mark गलत हो गया तो निशान भी रह जाता है. So if you're someone who is really passionate about leather design and want to pursue it, you can definitely go for it, because you guys will be taught softwares as well. You guys will be taught garments, and uske upar se footwear, belts, wallet, all of that. Bags, guys, like I've seen my friends make beautiful bags. Not my friends, my seniors. So it's a really nice department if you are someone who's passionate about it. And with that, I'd like to end the video. I hope this was informative. I hope it answers a lot of your questions, because I've been getting so many questions about these things. And if you still want to ask more questions, you can comment down below in this video, or watch my previous year's Q&A video where I answered more of your questions related to hostel and college life, all of that. So if you liked it, make sure you follow and subscribe, because that really means a lot. We are going to hit 1K super soon, and I'm going to upload my CRD series as well, which is super exciting. And yeah, I am so grateful for each one of you. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in the next vlog.